I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your eSIM to a new device on hardware, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility check and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Back up your current eSIM. On your old device, go to the settings and back up your eSIM profile. This usually involves saving a QR code or a confirmation code. Step 3. Remove eSIM from old device. Once you have backed up your eSIM, navigate to the cellular settings on your old device and remove the eSIM profile. This step is crucial to avoid any conflicts. Just a heads up, if you skip this step, you might end up with a non-functional eSIM on your new device. Step 4. Activate eSIM on new device. On your new device, go to the cellular settings and choose the option to add a new eSIM. You will need to scan the QR code or enter the confirmation code you backed up earlier. Step 5. Confirm activation. After entering the details, confirm that your eSIM is activated by checking the cellular settings on your new device. You should see your hardware network listed and be able to make calls while use data. And that's it. You should now have your eSIM successfully transferred to your new device. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to hardware customer support for assistance. Happy connecting!